So here's a way to save a few bucks. After stopping shopping at Woolworths because they treated me like infected cattle, a couple of things that I couldn't purchase anymore. I couldn't get the tablets that I've been using in the dishwasher, and the new shop we found this stuff here, this House Bright powder, but I'd sprinkle it in and I'd press the go button and I'd open the door and there was streaks on everything, like everything. The plastic wasn't clean, there was streaks on all the metal, things didn't look properly washed, and so after much frustration and trying a few different settings, I grabbed some vinegar and I just did this. And you know what? I've been able to dial down how much of the powder I use and get super duper clean wash. And then I thought, well, if it works on the dishwasher, let's try it on the clothes washer. And I did it yesterday in the clothes washer. Again, a splash of vinegar. I was able to dial down to about half the amount of detergent that I previously used. So there's a money saving tip for you. Cleaner and less detergent, less money spent.